Hello and welcome, I'm Victor Mutonia, lead contributor at labsinvestor.com. Today, we're diving deep into the challenges and strides made by MediPharm Labs in their quest to acquire GMP approvals for their CBD products and what this certification means for both CBD users and investors alike. We are fortunate to have John Kelly, a top executive at MediPharm Labs. Thank you for making the time, John.
Thank you, Victor. It is my pleasure to be here.
Let's start at the heart of the matter. John, you have been in this industry for quite some time. Can you tell us about the key challenges you've encountered during the GMP registration process?
Absolutely, Victor. Achieving good manufacturing practice, GMP registration, was a monumental task. It boiled down to several critical factors, one of which was building the right team. Quality personnel are paramount. Equally important is their training and development.
Teamwork is key. And I understand that a significant capital commitment early on played a vital role in supporting your indoor hydroponic cultivation.
Exactly, Victor. We believe that indoor hydroponics is essential for maintaining pharmaceutical-level tolerance in medicinal cannabis, but that's just the start. We also had to establish a rigorous quality management system, QMS, and lab practically from scratch. Exactly, Victor. We believe that indoor hydroponics is essential for maintaining pharmaceutical-level tolerance in medicinal cannabis, but that's just the start. We also had to establish a rigorous quality management system, QMS, and lab practically from scratch.
Please go on and take us through the hurdles faced during the GMP approval process.
My pleasure, Victor. Working within the regulatory framework was crucial. We navigated the tricky chicken and egg situation, as we weren't prepared to break any laws to gain GMP. This is the difference when you are dealing with a controlled drug. As a result, the sector now has very clear guidelines. We are strong supporters of the regulations and the need for GMP-certified products. It is the foundation of building a truly pharmaceutical cannabis sector.
It is my understanding that navigating regulatory waters can indeed be challenging, but it's essential for patient safety. What lessons have you learned, and what improvements would you suggest for effective legislation in the therapeutic cannabis space?
The key lesson here is cooperation with regulators. They're here to ensure patient safety. Now, there are clear guidelines in place. As a pharmaceutical company, we fully support these regulations. Wherever there are technical standards to discuss, we're ready to collaborate.
Cooperation is paramount, especially in such a dynamic field. Could you walk us through the processes involved in GMP registration and how MediPharm Labs manages them, John?
Well, simply put, Victor, our field combines two critical processes: cultivating the highest quality and consistent cannabis and manufacturing APIs consistently. Plus, there's the challenge of finding top-tier testing labs with validated methods for cannabis-based products.
It's a multifaceted journey indeed. For companies entering the medicinal cannabis space, what aspects of the regulatory process should they be wary of?
One word, Victor: underestimated. The scale of the challenge can't be overlooked. GMP standards are rigorous and require years of dedication and significant investment. Moreover, as a controlled drug, the interaction with authorities is crucial, as is demonstrating the highest level of security and controls.
Regulations are strict for a reason. Can you share any insights about clinical trials for cannabis-based medicines?
Certainly, Victor. Early results from clinical trials assessing the efficacy of cannabis-based medicines for chronic pain have been incredibly encouraging. We're talking about pain reduction, improved sleep, and decreased opioid use, all of which are major wins for patients.
John, those results are promising for sure. If I may ask, how do you see the evolution of cannabis-based medicines, especially in terms of specials or fully licensed drug routes?
The potential is enormous. Take, for example, the North American market, where millions are affected by conditions treatable with medicinal cannabis. It's a massive opportunity for both patients and businesses, and we're only scratching the surface.
John, can you please take us through your GMP certification journey so far?
Gladly, Victor. In a journey marked by unwavering commitment to good manufacturing practices, GMP, MediPharm Labs achieved significant milestones. In 2020, we secured GMP certification and a license to manufacture therapeutic goods in Australia, a pivotal step recognized by the Australian Therapeutic Goods Administration, TGA. This endorsement positioned MediPharm Labs as a prominent player in the Asia-Pacific cannabis market, enabling the manufacture of therapeutic goods for export and non-registered products. 2021 marked a North American first when Health Canada awarded MediPharm Labs a pharmaceutical drug establishment license. This prestigious license made us the exclusive North American company with a commercial-scale domestic good manufacturing license for extracting multiple natural cannabinoids, underlining their commitment to regulatory compliance and pharmaceutical-grade production. In 2023, MediPharm Labs expanded its horizons through the acquisition of Vivo Cannabis Inc. This strategic move facilitated access to medical patients in Canada, Australia, and Germany via partnerships with Canna Farm's medical e-commerce platform, Beacon Medical Pty, and Beacon Medical GmbH. The acquisition also encompassed Harvest Medical Clinics in Canada, providing essential physician consultations for medical cannabis education and prescriptions. The same year, on July 28, 2023, we achieved another historic milestone by completing our inaugural commercial shipment of cannabis clinical trial materials to the United States. Also, in 2023, following a rigorous 5-day in-person inspection in late 2022, we registered foreign drug manufacturing status with the U.S. FDA. This accomplishment positions them as a unique Canadian pharmaceutical company with this registration, opening doors to a multitude of commercial opportunities.
Unfortunately, that is all the time we had today. Thank you once more, John, for taking the time to share your wealth of information. For our viewers, we encourage you to like and follow us on social media so that you never miss an important development or insight into the magical world of pharmaceutical-grade cannabis. Thank you all and bye.